Imagine launching from Earth just 400 kilometers up, International Space Station, zipping around our planet at 27,000 kilometers per hour, circling Earth 16 times a day. From there, Earth still looks huge. But let's go further. Head to the moon, about 3,84,000 kilometers away. Now, Earth looks like a small blue marble floating in the dark. Keep going to the Mars, and then Earth becomes just a faint dot in the sky in front of it. By the time you reach Saturn, it's nearly invisible. Now think about our Sun. It's massive, big enough to fit 1.3 million Earths inside it. But in the grand scheme of things, it's just an average star. Let's compare it to some real giants. Pollux is twice the size of our Sun. Arcturus is over 25 times bigger. Rigel, a whopping 70 times larger. But wait, there's more. Meet Betelgeuse, a red supergiant that stretches 1.3 billion kilometers wide. If you plopped it in our solar system, it would reach beyond Mars. And even Betelgeuse isn't the biggest. There's VY Canis Majoris, which spans 2 billion kilometers, and UV Scuti stretches 2.4 billion kilometers. Big enough to fit 6.5 million Earths inside. But the biggest star we know, Stephenson 2-18. It's 3 billion kilometers wide. If it replaced our Sun, it would swallow up Saturn's orbit. Mind-blowing, right? But even these monstrous stars are just tiny dots in space. Consider Helix Nebula, a stellar nursery that's 5 light years wide. That's 47 trillion kilometers. Or the Orion Nebula, stretching 24 light years. Then there's Omega Centauri, a dense cluster with millions of stars spanning 150 light years. And beyond that, our galaxy, the Milky Way, which stretches 1 lakh light years across and holds hundreds of billions of stars. But here's the thing. The Milky Way is just one of billions of galaxies in the observable universe. So when you zoom out and see the bigger picture, Earth isn't just even a grain of sand. It's a reminder of just how fragile and fleeting our little existence is on this giant cosmos. Subscribe for more such fascinating facts.